So today we'll see coordinate geometry, distance formula. Okay, so here this is important for even higher classes also, because coordinate geometry deals with locating position. Suppose anywhere in plane or in space, if you have to mark some point, so you should know these formulas. Suppose we'll see here basic thing, how to find distance between 2 points. So here you can see we have x-axis, y-axis, and we have one point P, which has coordinate x1 and y1. Another point we have Q, we have coordinate x2, y2. We know that x1 represent this one. This is x1, this distance, and x2 represent this one. So this, if we want distance P and Q, we have to use distance formula, and that formula derivation we can get from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, right angle triangle. Here right angle triangle है, you can name it PQR. So इसमें P का कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 है, Q का कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2. तो ये डिस्टेंस निकालना है PR. PR कितना होगा? Q का x coordinate x2 means from origin, if you go till Q, it is x2. It is x2, and then from here to here it is x1. From origin to point P. So distance between P and R will be x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1. If you have to find this QR, QR कितना होगा? Q का ordinate y2, मतलब इसका height. Height is how much? y2. And here it is y1. This is y1, and you can see that this is parallel. So this distance will be y1. So from here to here it is y2. From here to here y1. So we want only this. This will be y2 minus y1. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square. Now, what is PQ? You see, PQ square we have to find. PQ square is equal to base x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But we want only PQ, so it will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is distance formula. So if you see the formula, now we have to just subtract the x-axis, 2 points, and y-axis, and have to square it. Example, you can understand through some example. Suppose we have one point P that is 3, 7, and Q is 8, 9. You have to find distance. So can we say that x1, y1, this is, and this is x2, y2. So we have seen the formula. PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First only we have made it, this is x2, x1. You can change, you can take this one is x2, y2, or this one is x1, y1. Anything you can take. But if this is x1, this will be y1. If 3 is x1, then 7 will be y1. Like that. You cannot say this is x1 and this is y1, not like that. You have to be in that order. Now, x2 is 8. So under root 8 minus 3 whole square plus What is y2? 9. y2 7. So what will be pq? 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 square plus 2 square. So pq will be under root 25 plus. So we got distance. pq equals to under root 29. So like that, any questions we can do. So I hope it is clear in this. Just we have to remember this formula. If you want derivation means you can understand we have used Pythagoras theorem. In that, just you should know what is x1, y1. See, if this is the coordinate x1, y1, this represent the x distance. Suppose if we have to reach at P, how to reach from origin? First you have to go x distance, x1, then you have to go y1, then we have reached here. Similarly, if you have to go q, how you will go? First you have to go x2, then you have to go y2. So you can find the distance using distance formula, and it is simple. You can try more questions. I will give 2 more questions for practice. You can practice it. Suppose P equals to 8 minus 7 and Q equals to minus 9 minus 12. This you can try. Okay, Hari Om.